Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can color grade image in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So what we have to do, I'm going to choose an image. So let's click on the import. And now we have to choose the image. I'm going to import any other image. So let's choose that. So for example, I'm going to do uncheck all these. And now I'm going to select only this one. And then simply I'm going to hit the import. And after clicking on the import, as you can see, the image is imported. Now simply what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to the develop section. And after going to the develop section, as you can see, has the images. Now if you want to increase the contrast and now if you want to increase the temperature, you can set the temperature as well. As you can see, these temperatures are also provided here. You can change the temperature as well. So now we are going to move to the color grade option. So as you can see, here's the color grade option, because we are going to discuss about the color grade in this video. So as you can see here, you have to drag this and you can adjust the color of your image. As you can see now, it will be a little bit a bluish and the pinkish and the yellowish, and you can drag wherever you want. For example, I want this in a green one, and now I'm going to drag this here. As you can see now, it looks much better. And then simply, as you can see now, picture is adjusted. Now you can go to the library section. As you can see, here's the picture, and this, if I press Ctrl Z, picture was like this. If you want to reset the picture, you can also do that. You have to click on the reset and the picture will be reset. As you can see now, it's reset as it was. So in this way, you can color grade an image in Adobe Lightroom. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.